On this episode, we're finally going to drink some Malbec. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better, and we're finally getting to Malbec. We're quite a few videos into the channel, and Malbec has yet to make an appearance, and it is part of the Wine Basics series in that you should know about the Malbec grape, and I'm sure most of you do. I'm going to pour a little bit of this. I find that Malbec wines are always just pretty. They're very purpley with a nice brightness to them. So Malbec, it came from France, right? It's known as I think it's pronounced Cote. It's spelled C-O-T. And that's right now the only place in the old world that really does what we'll call single varietal Malbec in the Cahors region. For the most part, Malbec you're going to find from Argentina. You know, they're the big producer of the most popular Malbec, and some U.S. places like in the Northwest are doing some good Malbec, but. We went for an Argentinian Malbec because it's been the darling of the, I don't know if it's still the darling of the wine industry, but it was, or it has been for a while. It's been immensely popular. Why is that? It's fruity, get some chocolate and vanilla notes, plums and blackberries, so kind of dark fruit. And you can also get, if you're lucky, I don't know about this guy's going to have it, but some smoke and leathery notes, in these wines. It's a medium. It's a medium in acidity and tannin, so it's pretty friendly, right? Even though it's a heavyweight grape, it's pretty heavy. It's kind of close. If we're thinking of Cabernet at the heavy end of the scale, it gets pretty close to Cabernet in terms of weight, but it's much more friendly. It doesn't have the tannins, and the acid is just right in the middle. All right, so we're going to taste this wine, and then we'll talk about foods. Right, so this is the Trapiche Vineyards 2019 Malbec from Argentina. Just says Argentina. Mendoza. Okay, so it's from the Mendoza region in Argentina. I guess it's what you would expect. It's simple. Blackberries. Kind of black and blueberries, actually. That's pretty much it. I mean, I did literally just open this. I mean, you saw me do it, but maybe it needs a little more air. It's nice. This is a very simple wine. There's a good amount of fruit, not really much else in the way of complexity. It's okay. Malbec, this one has a very short finish. Malbecs tend to have a fairly short finish, so they can be good with lighter meats. But I think think pork, think lamb. Even like poultry, like turkey, right? That works. And then it's going to work well with kind of your wild game meats. So, venison, buffalo, those types of things. Give it another try. Didn't really change much. Nice fruit, very simple. It'll be good for a Tuesday night, and I guess you can stock up for next April 17th because that's National Malbec Day. We kind of missed on this go around, but we'll see you again next time. Cheers.